Hi. Yesterday, I pointed out towards a few mistakes that working professionals make while taking care of their health, and how they usually ignore it. Hi, my name is Binu, and I'll be discussing in regarding few mistakes and tips to avoid those mistakes that working professionals make when they uh, while they are ignoring their health. So first, skipping breakfast. Here we do understand that we have meetings, work pressure, everything, but then here is a good solution that we can have our breakfast before even starting our work early morning. Better to have it at home or before reaching office somewhere outside, choosing a best and healthy option. If you don't get healthy option, definitely you can look for less less unhealthy, relatively healthy food as a breakfast. Second thing is avoiding lunch or having lunch on different times, basically. So here, what I'll suggest is have tiffin box from home or get something from a healthy outlet nearby, and make sure to have your have your lunch on time. And it is very common for every human being to have uh, hunger pangs at around 4:30 5 o'clock every single day. So during that time you can have a snacks which is healthy. We can have it in canteen, and that too uh, a healthy option are always available. So for evening snacks also we can rely on office canteen or some healthy source, or best take it from home. Even that is possible. I have done it myself, so it is possible basically. And the last one is dinner. So what every person in a working environment does is mostly they delay their dinner, or they skip, or they have some junk food and they don't have appetite for clean food, clean homely food. So what I'll suggest is have your dinner well in advance so that you get sufficient time for digestion, and your sleep, you will get a good night's sleep. And the last point here is sleep itself. So prioritizing your work is very good, but then taking care of health is another factor, and the biggest pillar or the most important pillar in a healthy life or leading a healthy lifestyle is a good night sleep. So if you have your dinner well in advance, a light dinner, you can definitely have a deep, relaxing sleep, which will eventually improve your digestion and your overall metabolism. So, focusing on simple and small things is most essential and important when it comes to your overall health, energy level, and weight loss. And finally, I would request that earning money is very good and saving is also very good, but then think about this, that if you lose all your money in your health at your latest stage in life, how would that feel? You worked so hard to earn that money, and then at the end of your life, towards the after 50, 60 years, if you have to shell all of those money in in regaining your health, it will be very depressing. So it doesn't take much money as such now to take care of your health. It takes only awareness and discipline. If you endorse to any of my thoughts, I would request you to comment below. Thank you so much.